Hello and welcome. In this session, we are going to learn how to create a line chart and see in which type of data it is more useful. A line chart is obtained by joining the dots which are represented by data points with lines. So for example, in this particular case, this is Tina's sales for last 12 months. The first month's sale was 61,000, which is represented by this dot. Next 20,000 by this, 226,000 in the third month by this, and so on. And then you join these dots by lines to get the line chart. Let's delete this and recreate this chart from scratch. We will select the range, press Alt F1. We have this standard clustered column chart. We will press Alt F1 once again and we'll have two charts so that we can see how column chart and line charts appear for the same type of data. In the second chart, we will change the chart type to a line chart and let's select the blue one and click OK. Let's add some predefined designs to both these charts to make it look better. And in this case, let me add the horizontal grid line. So what we have here is sales data of one sales executive over a period of 12 months. And I feel both the charts are relevant in this example. The column chart gives you a feeling of how much more or how much less that salesperson has done in a particular month. And the line chart shows you a trend of how the sales has been flowing over a period of 12 months. It shows that it decreased in the second month, then shot up, then was on a decreasing trend till 8th month and has taken a rise after that. So both the kinds of charts in this particular case are relevant. It depends on case-to-case basis how you want to represent data and what message you want to drive. So the line chart is more appropriate when you are displaying data over a period of time, meaning the horizontal axis represents some sort of time factor. It could be days, weeks, months, or even hours, or any other form of time. One of the examples we will see in this session will be a different form of time. Let's see how a line chart cannot be relevant. We will use this data range which has sales executive wise sales for one particular period in Mumbai. We'll select the range, press Alt F1 and we will change the chart type to the line chart. So as you see in this table, what we are trying to show is how much each salesperson has done. And this particular method of displaying chart is not really relevant for this particular case. One more thing you would have noted is there is no representation of Betty who has done 2.4 million. Why is this? Let me add a design to this and we'll understand. So there is a representation of Betty, but in line chart, each data point is represented by a dot and then joined by the other dots which are nearby. In case of Betty, the next dot does not exist. That's why you do not see a line here. This is another reason why you should not use a line chart in such cases. So it brings us back to the conclusion that you should primarily use a line chart when your horizontal axis represents time data.